Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, we are making fried cabbage with peppers and onions. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you'll be notified of all future uploads. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is rinse off your cabbage. Now once you get your cabbage all rinsed off, set that to the side. And then you want to cut you up some green peppers and onion. I've already cut mine just to save on some time because I'm sure you guys didn't want to see me cut the peppers and onions on camera. So I did it ahead of time. And now I'm just showing you the seasonings that we're going to be using for this recipe today. And this is the pan we're going to be using. And this is the oil I'm going to be using to cook my peppers and my green peppers in. Now you can use whatever oil you like, but this is what I like to use. There's no right or wrong oil. You can use whatever oil you like, guys. Alright, so we're going to start off by getting our onions cooked. And we're just going to saute them just a little bit before we add in our green peppers. So once you get all your onions in there, you're going to get a little stir, and we're going to let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After those cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, now we're going to add in our green peppers, and we're going to let those also cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that we let our peppers and onions cook a little bit, now we're going to season up these peppers and onions so we can get that flavor cooked in as well before we add in our cabbage. So we're starting off with the Morton seasoning. Then you want to go ahead and add your paprika in there, smoked paprika to be exact. Then you want to give it a little stir, let that marinate together for a little bit. I would say about 2 to 3 minutes, let it saute together. And I did at the last minute decide to add in one more ingredient, guys. I almost forgot about this one, but I do add a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt in there to give it a little bit extra taste there. Alright, now give everything a nice little stir there and let it saute for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And once you notice that your vegetables are starting to get quite tender, now we're going to get to adding in this cabbage, guys, because the cabbage cooks really fast. So we want to make sure that these vegetables are cooked quite a bit before we add the cabbage, because it's not going to take long for this cabbage to cook down. Okay, so once your cabbage is all in your pan, guys, you want to go ahead and top it off with some more seasoning. I'm going to top it off with that Morton's, the smoked paprika, as well as the Lowry's. Alright, so now that you're all seasoned up, you want to go ahead and put your lid on and let your cabbage simmer for about the next 10 minutes. It does cook really fast. You want to put it on medium to low heat as you're cooking it, and you want to stir pretty frequently in between to make sure that it's all getting evenly distributed, the heat and the cabbage. Alright guys, so this is about my 10-minute mark, and I'm going to give it a little stir. A lot of people will take their cabbage out right now and consider it done. I do like to cook mine a little bit more, so I do leave it on for an extra 5 minutes and cook it for a total of 15 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes later, guys, and this is how I like to eat my cabbage and how my family likes to eat it. So now that my cabbage is now complete, this is what it looks like. But here's the end result, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.